Have you been calling Daddy? Yeah? He had to go to work. Yeah, he had to go bye-bye out there. How'd you get your little snacks? Yeah, how'd you get that? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Say work. Uh-huh, he had to go to work. He'll be back tonight. You're gonna have a nap. We're gonna go see friends, come back home, have a nap, and then wake up. Daddy will come home. Do you want some? You want some? Yeah? Ava, come down here. I can't hear you.